Managing your HubSpot portal shouldn't feel overwhelming. But as your business grows, the complexity of workflows multiplies, properties expand, and dependencies become harder to track. Over time, even small changes can lead to hidden issues, broken automations, or data inconsistency, especially during audits, optimization efforts, or portal migrations. Without the right visibility, identifying these problems can be time-consuming and risky. That's where DiffSpot comes in. DiffSpot is a powerful audit and comparison tool designed especially for HubSpot, helping you bring clarity, control, and confidence to your portal. To get started with a single portal scan, we need to click on Scan Single Portal, then click on Connect Your Portal. Once we click on that, it will redirect us to the OAuth page of HubSpot, and we need to select our org to scan. After selecting the HubSpot org, click on Choose Account. Once clicked on that, it automatically links with our DiffSpot. To begin scanning, click on the connected HubSpot org card. It will take a few seconds to scan your entire portal, and it will show you the metadata over there. With DiffSpot, you can scan your entire HubSpot portals in just a few clicks, uncovering workflows with high-level diagrams, custom properties, associations, and many more. Also, you will know the dependencies in seconds. No manual digging, no manual guesswork. Everything you need is presented in a structured and easy-to-understand format, so you can quickly identify what's missing and what's needed to migrate. With larger or complex metadata scanning, it can take up to 60 seconds, as it will show you a complete metadata audit of your entire HubSpot portal. After a few seconds, you will get the entire detailed audit for your entire HubSpot portal. From your custom objects to your CRM properties, custom CRM properties, and standard CRM properties of all the objects available in your HubSpot. You can check your pipelines and stages. You can see the property groups as well available in your HubSpot portal. You can see your association labels. You can review your active/not active forms with their fields values used to capture customer information. And if you click on Forms, you will see more detail about these forms. You can see your active and non-active workflows as well, along with its entry conditions, as well as a high-level diagram of your workflow to help you understand your workflow in more detail, and almost all your metadata. Once everything has been reviewed, you can export them into a PDF, an Excel, or download the JSON. You can also push your metadata into your GitHub as well. In the PDF, we are giving you all the priority checklists, your quick wins, and what we have found in your audit, along with the complete metadata of your org, with the high-level diagram as well of workflows. This will be an entire audit for your HubSpot org, in which all the details have been covered, which we have found in your HubSpot. Regarding Excel, you can click on this and have Excel and JSON as well. Now, let's compare metadata between two portals. For that, click on the Compare portal and connect your second org, Sandbox or Production, and select your org to connect and click on Choose Account. After that, your orgs are ready to be compared. Click on the Compare CTA below. It starts comparing your metadata and the entire metadata between both orgs, and you will have the entire metadata scan report completed. It will just take a few seconds. DiffSpot basically allows you to compare portals side by side, highlighting differences, gaps, and potential risks before they impact your business. When doing a migration, it will help you to identify what metadata is exactly missing in one portal compared to other, and what is still left to be migrated. With this, we can have a clear picture of what things are still missing in our instance. After a few seconds, we'll have the entire comparison report ready. Here, we have clear highlights of the property differences available in Portal A versus only available in Portal B. You can clearly see the differences across the entire metadata. Below, you will see the modified properties as well. You can see if a pipeline, like this Salesforce pipeline, is available only in HubSpot Portal B and not the other. You can check property difference groups, custom properties, modified objects, and association labels. All these items are clearly mentioned here. These are the things available in one portal versus the second portal. You can also click on Email me this report, and also you can share your metadata to your GitHub as well. Try DiffSpot today for free to eliminate risks, uncover insights, and stay in control.